Alabama. Are you looking for a storm shelter, safe room, a place to keep your family safe, to keep your valuables safe while you're on vacation? Come check this out. Hi, welcome to Providence Storm Shelters. I'm Beth. I'm one of the owners. We're so glad you're here. In times like this, it's really important to not only have a tornado shelter, but a safe room as well. Someplace that'll keep your family safe from intruders, tornadoes, inclement weather. It's your peace of mind. It's making sure that your family's safe no matter what. So let me show you around real quick. This one over here is our 5x8. The 5x8 will fit 8 to 10 people comfortably. Has the optional sight window on here, so we can put that on any door. Also, our bigger rooms come with a bench seat. It's an L-shaped bench, so you have room to sit down on. And we also have our optional gun rack, so that you can keep your guns safe in here if you choose to use it as a gun vault as well. This is our outlet. Has 4 plugs, 4 USB ports. It's one of our optional extras, as well as our keypad lock. Digital, all you gotta do, turn the handle. And then we also, all of our doors swing inward. 600-pound door, all you can do, even with a finger. Swing it in, swing it out. We also have our 4x4 that'll fit 1 to 2 people comfortably. Still the same in-swing door. Still the same handles are removable from the inside. We have our 5x4 with the vent. We also have the debris guards that go over top of every vent. All of our doors swing inward. All of the 4x5 will fit 2 to 4 people comfortably. This one here is our 4x6. It comes with an L-shaped bench. Will fit 4 to 6 people comfortably. Same thing, in-swing door. Handles are removable from the inside. Even though it's a 600-pound door, it's still really easy to swing open. This one here is our 4x8. It'll have the L-shaped bench as well. Still has the 6-inch channel on the roof to reinforce the roof, 4-inch channel on the walls to reinforce the walls. Still keep your family safe, whether it be tornado, intruder, doesn't matter. If you decide you want to go on vacation, put your valuables inside of it, shut the door, lock it, don't have to worry about it. This one here is our 4x6 with a door on the end. So because we build them ourselves, they're completely customizable. If you need to move the vents, we can move the vents. If you need to move the door to the end, you can still move the door. This one here is our 4-foot by 3-foot by 8-foot workbench shelter. You can use it on an outdoor patio, as an outdoor table. You can use it as your kitchen island, workshop, whatever you need to. It still has the same reinforcement on the roof, still the same reinforcement on the inside, still take a beating. This one here is our 3-foot by 8-foot workbench shelter. Use it in your garage, use it in your kitchen as an island. Doors on the end, if you need to move it, we're able to move it. Still opens inward. So while I still have you here, let me show you this real quick. So this here, best of 2022 for Steel Fabricator. We live, breathe, eat, sleep steel fabrication. We love what we do. We love keeping your family safe. Let me show you how we build our storm shelters, how we build your storm shelter. All of them are built out of the 1/4-inch steel plate. All of them are EF5 rated. All of them can withstand 100,000 pounds of debris, 450-mile-an-hour winds. We use 4-inch channel on the inside to reinforce the walls. We have 6-inch channel on the roof to reinforce the roof. All of our doors swing in. You go in, shut the door, bolts slide across. No tornado or intruders getting in, not unless you want them in. Slide it across, open the door, step out, good to go. So, all of the storm shelters are also anchored down by us using a 5/8 Simpson Titan anchor, heavy duty. Installation, standard installation usually takes 45 minutes to an hour to install. In, out, you don't have to hear from me again unless you decide to move. And then we can come out and relocate it for you. So, all of our storm shelters, like I said, they're EF5 rated. So they will protect you from tornadoes, intruders, women with a hammer. You're safe. Let me tell you a little bit more about these. So these are our 5/8 Simpson Titan anchors. Every room gets between 13 to 20 of these, depending on the size. They have a 40,000 pound tensile strength and a 15,000 pound shear strength. So your room will weigh anywhere from 1,800 to 5,000 pounds of steel topped with these here. She's not going anywhere. While I still have you here, let me show you this real quick. So this here is the 1/4" steel plate that we use on all of our rooms. We've hit it with a 45 and it barely made a dent. So not only is your room safe from an EF5 tornado, but it's also safe from an intruder. So you can go in, slide the bolts across, you'll be protected. The most important thing to us, besides building your storm shelters, is earning your business, earning your trust, making sure that your family is safe. Your peace of mind is more important than anything else. Come on down to the showroom, have the kids come down, play in the kid area, color pictures, play with toys, bring the dogs, bring the cats, bring the iguanas, doesn't matter. Bring them on down, sit inside of one of the shelters. Make sure that you like it, because your peace of mind is more important than anything. You need to feel comfortable inside the shelter more than I do. I have one at home. I'm comfortable in mine. Come on down, check it out. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 4, Saturdays from 9 to 12. If you have any more questions, check out our website, it's providencestormshelters.com. Go to the YouTube channel, Providence Storm Shelters. We have our Q&A there. Check out the videos. You still have questions? Not a problem. Give us a call. Be more than happy to get all of your questions answered. Thank you so much for stopping by.